Another day, another story. The first thing you want to do is get your credit reports from all 3 credit bureaus and analyze them to see what is reporting and if you have any derogatory items, such as late payments, repossession charges, job collections, bankruptcy history, or public records like liens or judgments. Once you've done that, compare all 3 credit reports to see which credit bureaus are reporting the same negative information. You can obtain all 3 of your credit bureau reports for just $1 for the first week from a company called Smart Credit. They offer additional features like a score builder feature to help you increase your credit score with a 120-day plan, a score boost feature, money manager privacy and fraud insurance, as well as daily alerts for changes on your TransUnion reports. I'll provide a link to sign up for Smart Credit in the description box below. You can click on Reports to see the 3 bureau reports and scores, providing a side-by-side comparison of all 3 credit reporting agencies' reports for your personal credit profile. You can review the credit usage, negative items, inquiries, collections, public records, minimum monthly payment, score, and number of creditors on your credit reports. To challenge negative items on your credit reports, you should understand the difference between factual disputing and challenging through Metro 2 compliance standards. Metro 2 compliance refers to disputing inaccurate information based on the data furnisher's failure to comply with the Metro 2 format, a data specification set by the Consumer Data Industry Association for reporting consumer credit information. Factual disputing, on the other hand, involves challenging the accuracy of specific details of an account on your credit report, such as incorrect balances or wrong open/close dates. Before disputing any items, ensure your personal information is up to date with the credit bureaus. You can send a letter to update your personal information, including your name, address, birthday, and phone number, and request the removal of any old addresses tied to derogatory items. This step is important to prevent old addresses from being associated with your current credit profile and potentially affecting your creditworthiness. Thanks for watching.